yung mga bagay na ginagawa ko, I will make sure na ito yung dapat, at saka sa future kasi hindi mo malalaman unless na kailangan ready ka talaga. Dapat in everything you do, kailangan ibigay mo yung the best mo na. Kailangan meron kang magandang foundation dito para mas maganda yung future. I think para sa akin, mas mahalaga yung for being a mother talaga. Pagiging mother kasi in a sense na wala ka ditong break, wala kang day off, no? Aside from being happy employee, syempre kailangan happy mother ka din. Sa mga napili natin roles, being a woman, yun kasi woman empowerment talaga dapat, di ba? So, sa mga women out there, ang advice ko lang is, lahat ng gagawin natin maging masaya tayo. Lahat ng gagawin natin to fulfill our dreams, being happy is the perfect one. Kasi hindi ka magkakaroon ng peace kung hindi ka happy. So, in everything na mga pagsubok, especially sa work, sa life, in everything, in general. So, kailangan lang maging happy tayo. Contentment is the best key, no? And especially, kailangan din natin yung magkaroon tayo ng magandang puso. Good heart to everyone. Wow.
Good day everyone. I am shaping my sustainability future by continuously improving myself, both personally and professionally. I make responsible decisions, manage my time wisely, and to strive to learn new skills that will help me grow. I also aim to contribute positively to my community by being mindful of my actions and supporting initiatives that promote long-term development. Aside from my work as an EICS employee, I excel in activities such as communication, organizing tasks, and creative pursuing like writing or planning events. I also enjoy engaging in community involvement and self-development activities that enhance my skill and allow me to connect with others. My advice to fellow women is to believe in your strength and capabilities, enhance challenges and opportunities to grow, and never be afraid to step out of your comfort zone. Take care of your well-being, seek support when needed, and always remember that your effort and perseverance will lead you to success. Stay confident, stay resilient, and continue striving for your goals.
Hi everyone! My name is Kelsey Angelique Guzman, ang ating ilustre ng Aix Montalban. Future? For me, future is very unpredictable. Hindi mo siya mapipredict. Kaya naman para masustain mo siya as a babae, dahil Women's Month ngayon, kailangan yung kung ano man yung ginagawa mo is, ayun yung mga decision mo, yun yung future mo. Bukod sa ako yung pinakamaganda sa Aix Montalban, charot. Bilang isang teacher dito, hindi na ako basta teacher dito sa AACS. Isa rin ako co-worker, and then kaibigan, and then nanay ng mga student dito na kahit mga pasawayan, mga yan, madali naman silang patahimikin. Sa pagiging teacher, itong trabaho kong itong isa pa is priceless siya, which is being a full-time mom. Being a full-time mom is never easy. Kaya naman, pagpunta dito, minsan, nalilate ako kasi nga, aasikasuhin ko pa yung anak ko, pero hindi yun naging hadlang para ituloy ko yung passion ko as a teacher. Sabado, Linggo, nag-tutor din kasi nga dahil sa mahal ng mga bilihin ngayon, kailangan natin ng side hustle. Being isang babae is very difficult yan, but I love being a woman. So, para sa akin, hindi lang ka basta babae lang. Ikaw ay haligi ng tahanan, ikaw ay nanay, ikaw ay kaibigan, at ikaw ay anak. Bilang isa, ang payo ko lang sa mga kabataan, sa mga kabataang kababaihan dyan, natin, gamitin ang ating utak. Yes, everything happens for a reason, pero think natin maigi. Pag-isipang mabuti. Dahil hindi ka lang basta babae, kundi ikaw ay bayan.
Hello po, ako po si Richel Nazon, ang faculty head ng AICS Bacoor. As a teacher, you can shape a sustainable future by guiding students to care for the environment and practice good habits every day. And aside from being an AICS employee, I excel in hobbies and activities like organizing community events, mentoring others, and engaging in creative and learning new skills. Ang may papayo ko naman sa kapwa ko mga kababaihan, na patatagin ang tiwala sa sarili, pahalagahan ang sariling kakayahan, at magpatuloy sa pagunlad sa kabila ng mga hamon upang makamit ang tagumpay at balanse sa kanilang mga tungkulin at pangarap. Tandaan, babae ka, hindi lang babae. Salamat po.
I'm Lee Fernandez and I'm the school receptionist of AICS Gym. I think it's very important na iniisip ko kung paano maapektuhan ng mga bagay na ginagawa ko ngayon yung future na paparating for me. So it's very important na I take everything to heart and I do my work with integrity and with good attitude. So I think magiging chain effect na lang na magiging maganda rin yung kalalabasan ng future na meron ako. Aside from being an employee ng AACS, I also write novels online and also I'm a youth leader sa church. Sa mga fellow women, I think for me, ang advice na sabi ko lang is it's very important to wake up every day na kahit hindi ka motivated, just push through sa mga bagay na ginagawa mo and mag-focus ka sa mga bagay na hindi ka madaling magsawa sa mga bagay na based on the money itself but also the satisfaction na nakukuha mo sa mga bagay na ginagawa mo.
Good day, I am Rosalinda Javier, faculty member representing IX Maykawan. I build good habits, keep learning, and make responsible choices for long-term success. And I am also good at hobbies like organizing events, helping others, and developing my skills like communication skills. Okay, stay strong, believe in yourself, have faith, and manage your time well, and never stop learning. And that's all. Thank you.
Hello everyone, good day. So my name is Ma'am Kimberly B. Soriano and I am from AICS Tarlac Branch. Okay, so I'm shaping my sustainable future by doing the smallest thing first and I do it step by step. Okay, so I do it at home. I practice waste segregation and I also teach my students at school how to properly dispose their waste. And I believe that being a teacher, you must be a role model because I think if you cannot do such thing, then they can't learn from you. I do my work here in IX. Aside from that, I do my work as a leader in our community. And at the same time, I do my hobbies as a person too, as a woman. Okay, so while being an employee, while being SK Council, I also do nature trips, I do food trips, okay, I also do rides, okay, I want to explore. Doing the work and life balance is the key to be at ease. Okay, so we have different roles, you know, the advice to my fellow women, do your life as a work balance. How? You start doing your workloads, okay? And then, right after that, you give yourself a time for you to do your hobby. You can also count church, go to church, do nature trips, go to your favorite restaurant, meet with your family and friends. That can give you a work and life balance, okay? So, having that kind of setup in life, I think it will be helpful for you and it will lessen your stress with your students, with your workload, I think. and hopefully it will manifest a better life. Happy Women's Month to every woman out there, and have a nice day ahead. Bye!
Hi, I'm JN. I am the Assistant Administrator of AICS Batangas. So to start, I'm a graduate of Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in English. And after I finished school, I was really eager to work. I was really eager to prove myself to other people. And eventually, my path led me here sa AICS. And being here made me realize that building a sustainable future for yourself doesn't always have to be big or perfect. Kasi for me, it's in the small, everyday things. Showing up, guiding my students, doing my part, and being present in what I do. Parang mga simpleng bagay lang kung tutuusin, but those things, they really mean something for me. And outside of work, I also have things that I love, things that I hold on to. I love reading books, being the English major that I am. And doon ako pinaka-komportable, doon ako pinaka-at home. I also write short stories and poems, though almost my outputs are just about the things that I really couldn't say, the things that I really don't say out loud or share with others. And I think in a way, that's also a part of my journey as a woman, sitting in my own thoughts, understanding myself better, or trying to, and growing in ways na hindi laging visible sa ibang tao. Kaya ngayong Women's Month, ito yung gusto kong i-share sana sa lahat ng mga kababaihan. To all the ladies out there, hindi nyo kailangan ma-figure out lahat kaagad. It's okay to take your time, to grow at your own pace, and to believe that even the small steps are taking you somewhere.
Hi everyone, my name is Eden A. Borlas. I am a college instructor at AICS Commonwealth. I'm shaping my sustainable future by investing in myself and the things I'm truly passionate about. As a single mom, kailangan ko talagang maging strategic sa bawat decision, financially, emotionally, and career-wise. That's why I'm currently pursuing my master's degree in business administration. Kasi alam kong ito yung magbibigay sa akin ng long-term stability and opportunities. Ay nako, ang dami kong identities outside school. Baker ako by heart. Yung kitchen is my comfort zone. Para na rin siyang creative studio ko. Like yung cakes, pastries, customized design, dyan ko nilalabas yung mga stress and pagiging artistic ko. So, to all women out there, lalo na yung sabay-sabay hinahandle ang pagiging employee, student, breadwinner, business owner, and syempre yung mga mami na rin. Ang may advice ko lang is bigyan natin yung sarili natin ng grace. Alam ko, hindi madali ito. It's choosing to move forward with a purpose every single day. Kaya sa lahat ng kababaihan na nakikinig ngayon, kaya natin to. Matibay tayo, resilient tayo, and we deserve all the success na pinaghihirapan natin ngayon.
Hello, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening po sa lahat ng AICS family and kung anong oras naman po ito napapanood. My name is Judy. I am the HR manager of AICS. I've been with AICS for almost 13 years now. My side hustles aside from AICS po, I've been doing events. I am a freelance events coordinator and events host and singer. I am also a freelance makeup artist. I've been doing those activities for almost 13 years, 14 years. Of course, how can I manage those things? simply because I have the support coming from, of course, AICS family, my mother, and my siblings, and of course, my husband and my son. Also having support coming from my friends and my colleagues. Siguro, what I can advise to every woman, especially to AICS women, happy Women's Month, everyone. Continue to inspire other women like us. Continue to love, continue to pray, be humble, be grateful. Sabi ko nga nung ako po ay nagkaroon ng pagkakataon na sumali sa Itbulaga, laban lang ng laban, habang may araw, habang merong pag-asa, lumaban lang po tayo sa buhay. Thank you so much everyone. Happy Women's Month.
Good morning. Happy Women's Month. Before joining AICS, I was already passionate about growth and finding ways to create opportunities not only for myself but for others as well. So when I became part of AICS, that passion was nurtured even more kasi napaka-generous at napaka-bait ng management. So with the support of Ma'am Adi, I was able to take a bold step and start a side hustle, a training and tutorial center which we built 10 years ago, and it continues to thrive even today. No? So napaka-thankful namin that Straight A+ Training and Tutorial Center, which we built 10 years ago up to now, is still thriving. So my message to all women striving to cope and excel in their roles, my advice is simple. Simple lang naman. Be you, do you. Yan. Embrace who you are. Trust your journey. And don't be afraid to grow at your own pace. So, hindi naman po kailangang i-follow anyone's timeline. Your strength lies in your authenticity. Yan. Huwag ka makipaghabulan sa iba. Mag-focus ka dun sa sarili mong timeline, sa sarili mong journey. Stop comparing yourself with others. Kasi hihilahin ka niyan. Sabi nga sa Desiderata, there will always be a better or a lesser person than you are. So, laging merong mas magaling sa'yo at meron din namang mas magaling ka. So, just focus on your journey. Yun yung importante. Your strength lies in your authenticity. Sabi ko nga and your success will come from staying focused. Dapat focus ka lang dun sa ginagawa mo. While, of course, you strive to continue to move forward. So, thank you. Let's keep building future we're proud of. So, Happy Women's Month po.
Isang mapagpalang hapon sa ating lahat. Ako po si Maria Jesusa J. Arriesgado, ang inyong guidance counselor at well-being coach. Tinisigurado ko na tinutulungan ko ang aking sarili na ma-empower ko hindi lang bilang independent, kung hindi bilang masigla, healthy, no? Ang aking mental health, ang aking physical body, no? At syempre magawa kayong mga bagay, no, na magpapasaya sa akin. Sinisigurado ko na ginagawa ko yung mga hobbies, no, na makakatulong sa akin upang maging healthy. Siyempre, importante, no, na ma-empower natin ang ating sarili bilang isang babae. Ang mensahe ko sa lahat, huwag mong kakalimutan na ikaw bilang babae ay mahalaga. Simulan mo ang pagmamahal, no, sa iyong sarili. Tulungan mo ang iyong sarili, no, na mapalakas, mapalawig ang iyong kaalaman, no? Bigyan mo ng panahon ang iyong sarili upang maging masaya. Bigyan mo ng panahon ang iyong sarili upang matuto. At huwag kang matakot, no, na magkaroon ng mga problema habang ikaw ay naglalakbay. Sabi nga nila, growth mindset. At At sa bawat dadaanan mo sa iyong paglalakbay, lagi kang mayroong matututunan. Huwag mong pahinayangan yung mga bagay na mararanasan mo o yung mga emotions na pagdadaanan. Napaka-importante nito para ikaw ay lumakas bilang isang babae. Again, mahalin mo ang iyong sarili. You are enough. Again, Happy Women's Month. Maraming salamat.